Good morning, everybody. Last time we have to explain X-ray. This X-ray discovered by scientist Roentgen in 1885. So today I explain production of X-ray using Police tube. So in X-rays, fast-moving electrons stop suddenly to produce X-ray. X-ray consists of highly evacuated hard glass bulb with a cathode filament and anode as shown in diagram. The cathode filament is heated. It emits the electrons. Already you have to know, student, the light falls on the metal plate to emit the electrons, so that process is used in X-ray. The cathode filament is heated at that time, emits the electrons, increasing the light voltage potential difference between the anode and cathode. So student, this is the X-ray tube diagram. This is the tube. Here is electrons, target T. This is the copper plate. This tungsten filament, evacuated envelope, heated tungsten filament cathode. This is, and voltage here is cooling position is given. So this is the X-ray tube diagram. The X-ray were discovered by this scientist. He was performing the experiment, investigate the properties of cathode rays, keeping your mind. The scientist Roentgen explained the properties of investigation of cathode and anode. The pressure inside the tube is 10 to the power 6 mm of mercury. The filament is surrounded by a molybdenum cylinder G, kept at a negative potential to the filament. Student, you listen your diagram. Hence the electrons emitted from the filament are polymerized into a fine pencil of electrons beam. The target T consists of copper block in which a piece of tungsten or molybdenum is fixed. The target T consists of copper block in the tube in which the piece of tungsten or molybdenum you have to use. Now the characteristic of anode. Anode is high atomic weight. Anode is high melting point, and anode is high thermal conductivity. So, in case of high melting point or high atomic weight, in case of high atomic weight, to produce the hard X-ray. In case of hard atomic weight or high atomic weight, it produces the hard X-ray. In case of high melting point, it is not melted due to the bombardment of fast moving electrons which produce the large amount of heat, keeping your mind. In the X-ray, there is the bombardments of heat. Bombardments of heat at that time, fast moving electrons which produce the large amount of heat. Then high thermal conductivity, in this case to carry away the generated heat. Heat is generated. The target is placed at the angle of 45 with the path of electrons beam. In a high potential of about 20 kilovolt is applied between the filament F and target T. The intensity of X-ray depends upon the number of electrons strike on the target, keeping your mind. This is the important. And at that time electrons suddenly stop to produce the X-ray tube. So what I am saying, the intensity of X-ray depends upon the number of electrons strike on the target, that is the rate of emission of electrons from the filament. This can be controlled by varying the filament current, keeping your mind. This can be controlled मतलब X-ray controlled by varying the filament current. Now, properties of X-ray. Student, this all property is very important for your way of examination. Sometimes question arises in MCQ. So listen here. There is short wavelength. This is important property. Short wavelength of the electromagnetic spectrum. Number 2, they are not deflected magnetic or electric field. Not deflected magnetic or electric field. Number 3, requires high voltage to produce X-ray. High voltage to produce X-ray. Next number, they are used to capture the human skeleton defects. Human skeleton defect, and therefore we have to use the X-ray, or we have to capture the human skeleton defects by using X-ray. Keep in your mind, they are used to capture the human skeleton or as like a picture from human bodies by using X-ray. They travels in a straight line and do not carry an electric charge with them. The speed of light of X-ray, keep in your mind, this is important. C equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light, and this speed of light denoted by C. Next, they are capable of traveling in a vacuum tube. They are capable of traveling in a vacuum tube. X-ray affects photographic plate. X-ray affects the photographic plate. X-ray is invisible to eyes. X-ray is produce photographic effect. X-ray have high penetrating power. This is important properties of X-ray, high penetrating power. And last, they produce fluorescence in many substances. They produce fluorescence in many substances. Now, application of X-ray. In X-ray, there are 3 types of application. Number 1, medical application. Second, industries application or mechanical application. And third, scientific application. So today, I explain medical application. Number 1, X-ray is used checking for fracture. X-ray are used checking for fracture as like a broken bones. Number 2, X-ray are used in chest X-ray can spot pneumonia. Listen here student, spelling of pneumonia. X-ray are used in chest X-ray can spot pneumonia. Next, mammograms use X-ray. Mammograms means many light particles. Mammogram use X-ray to look for breast cancer. So this breast cancer, today's life, we see in medical treatment on this particular disease by using X-ray. So, medical application is also used detect the bullet position inside the body. X-ray are used to detect the bullet position inside the body. This is important application in X-ray, as well as X-ray are used to look for breast cancer. So student, today I stop here. Thank you very much.